All right, guys. So last class we have stopped in Cartesian product. Am I right? So let's do little more with Cartesian product. My language is, let's say, all strings. So for this part, the automata would be like this. From even if I say A, I will go to odd. From odd, if I see A, I will come back to even. B, B. So this is the first part. Again, this is the even. This is the odd. Seeing B, I would go to odd. After seeing another B, I would come back to even. I don't care about A. So let's number this. This is the final step. This is the final step. Let's number this. A, B, C, D. So what is this? So what are the states in the automata 1? Let's consider this as 1. 1 has A comma B. 2 has C comma D. So 1 cross 2 is nothing but A comma B cross product C comma D. So what is the meaning of this? It is nothing but for A, I should have C comma D, and also for B, I should have C comma D, which is nothing but we should have SC, AD, and we also should have BC, BD. So using this concept, for A, I have the whole, this one, number 2. And for B, I have whole number 2. So if we apply this concept, then actually we can draw this kind of Cartesian product more quickly. How? I have A, I have B. So this is my number 1. For A, I have whole B. So it would be something like this. It would be something like this. For A, I have whole of this, whole of this, whole of this. Okay, so we can write this. SC, AD, B, B. Again, for B, I have whole of this. So we can write BC, BD, B, B. Is it a finite automata? Is it a finite automata? No, sir. Why not? Because it has all the moves. It has all the moves. It does not have all the moves. And it does not have all the moves. Now, if you flip back, that means A into C or D. If you write not this way, on the other way, like C has A comma B, that means whole 1, and D has also whole A comma B, 1. So we have to complete this. If we complete this, we will get A. So now it is done. Is it clear to you guys? Then you do not need to compute again even, odd, even, order. So
Yes,
using this concept and this concept, you can easily draw Cartesian product of two language or finite automata. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
স্যার
so let's
ড্র
do it.
করাটা একটু স্যার মানে এ সি ডি এলিমেন্টের জন্য হোলটা পাচ্ছে স্যার এটা
A C A D, A C A D, B C B D. এখানে A C B C, A D B D. Okay. See, A C A C A D. So this way. B C B D. Hold on. Now let's go over C A or A C, B C or this one. This one. A D or this one. B D or this one. Did you get it?
yes sir clear.
Yes. Okay. Now let's do little more complicated Cartesian. And what would be the final state, by the way, in this Cartesian product? What would be the final state? What would be the final state? This one would be even. This one also would be even. In this final, first final automata, for even, A is the final state. For second automata, C is the final state. So their combination would be the final state, AC. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do a little more complicated one. My language is A comma B. My alphabet is A comma B. My language is all strings. Number of A, 1, mod 3. And number of B, 2 mod, let's call it 0 mod 2. Okay, guys. Number of A is 1 mod 3 and number of B is 0 mod 2. So what will be the finite automata for the first part? Number of A, 1 mod 3. This one. Number of A, 1 mod 3. How many states would be there for this finite automata only? It's a mod operation. So how many possibilities are there? Remainder of 0, 1, 2. It will be something like this. 0, 1, 2. RAM. So we start from the start state. If I get from remainder 0, if I get A, I would go to remainder 1. If I get another A, I'm going to remainder 2. Suddenly, if I get another A, it becomes remainder 0. And in it, I don't care about B here. How about this one? And B, 0 mod 2. How many reminders are there? 2, 0 and 1. So RAM, 0 and 1. From seeing here, if I get a B, I should go here. Then actually, if I get another one, I come back over here. I don't care about A. Okay. Now what are the states? Let's call it A, call it B, call it C, let's call it X, let's call it Y. What is the final state for this one? 1, 3. That means remainder 1. So B is my final state. Here, what is the final state? X is my final state, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's apply the previous technique. So this one would be nothing but this. Let's call it number 1. Let's call it number 2. 1 cross 2, which is nothing but ABC should be multiplied with XY, right? So it is nothing but A should be multiplied with XY and B should multiply with XY and C should multiply with XY. So let's make this skeleton A, B, C. Then actually for this one, RAM 0, A RAM 0, 1 RAM 0. For this one, I would have whole this part. So it would be nothing but AX and AY. What would be this? This would be B, B. Okay. Then I'm using A, I can go to over here, the number B state. For B, I have whole number 2. So it would be Bx, B1. B, B. After seeing another A, I should go over here. For this one, C, I have a full number 2, right? So it will be something like this: Cx, C1, P, and B. Now, is it a finite automata? No. It
No.
has moved for Ax. It has moved for Ax. It has moved for Ax, because this is the first one. But these are not final. Now, if you consider this problem, this problem on the other way, then what would be the case? ABC has move on X and ABC has
Y.
move on
Y.
Y. So this one is done. X has move on ABC, but Y does not have. So we have to complete this. The same way, A, we are done. Now what would be the final state? What would be the final state?
Sir, BX.
Bx. Ax কিভাবে
সরি
পেলাম?
স্যার আমি
Here B,
অনেক গলা দেখা
Bx.
Yes, sir, BX.
Bx. Okay, এখন এই প্রবলেমটাকে আরো টাফ করব। I will make it more harder. Let's see. My language is,
স্যার কিছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
so let's wait a little bit. How about right now?
স্যার it's
স্যার
okay.
ঠিক আছে স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার
All right. আমি এটাকে আরো টাফ করছি। All strings, number of A, এটা কিন্তু and, খেয়াল রাখেন, both should be true. Number of A, 1 mod 3, or number of me 0 mod 2. Then what would be the final state? Finite automata would be this, but what would be the final set? What would be the final set here? In this finite automata, where is NA equal to 1 mod 3? When NA equal to 1 mod 3, which states?
BX.
Bx and how about this one? By. Am I right? Whenever there
এখানে
is
ইন্টারসেকশন চালাবো স্যার
equal intersection now, or operation. It is or. It is not union also. That is the catch. There is a difference in finite automata. Finite automata, the set theoretic union and finite automata union are same. Set theoretic intersection and finite automata intersection are same. But logical and or are different in finite automata. Okay? They are not same. We always know that and means what? And means intersection, and it is nothing but and means intersection, it is nothing but the common element. Or means nothing but union or one of the element present in the set. But here this is a little bit different. Logical and or does not represent in finite automata union or intersection. Please remember. Okay? In common sense. But you can consider this way. Let's see. You are right. In one sense, you are right. Let's consider this way. Let's see. Number of A equal to 1 mod 3. Which state says number of 1 has mod 3? Tell me. In this finite automata.
BX or BY.
Bx and by. Whenever I get B, That means number of A equal to 1 mod 3. Am I right? So for
Yes.
finite automata 1, what would be my final state? Bx and by. Okay. And how about for finite automata 2? What would be the final state? What would be the final state?
So bx and z2x second.
Ax, bx, and cx. Am I right?
Yes,
Finite x, it is 0 mod 2, right?
Yes.
So if you add this one, which one you have to take? The common one, and which one is the common?
bx.
Bx. That's a bx only the final state. You're right. In a sense, you're right. Yes. Yes, you're right. So it's the same technique if you apply here. What is the final state for 1 in this language? 1 mod 3. So it would be
Bx and
bx
by.
and by. And how about 2? What about the final state?
Ax,
Ax, bx, cx. Now if you union, then what would get? All this. So final state would be ax, bx, cx, by. Did you get it? So it should have 4 final steps. Done. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. So sir, union
Okay.
is
হ্যাঁ ইউনিয়নই ওই ফাইনাল স্টেটের ইউনিয়ন বাট ফাইনাইট অটোমেটের তো ইউনিয়ন না
yes, yes.
এই দুটো ফাইনাইট অটোমেটের তো ইউনিয়ন হইল না ফাইনাল স্টেটের ইউনিয়ন হইল ইট ইজ এ ইউনিয়ন অফ ফাইনাল স্টেট বাট ইট ইজ নট ইউনিয়ন অফ দিস টু অটোমেটা am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because finite automata union is different. Finite automata union is something like this. Am I right? You go this way and union it this way. Am I right? So it is not finite automata sense union. Finite automata sense it is not union, but of course final state union. You are right. So let's do another one using this problem. What can we do? How about this? How about this? My language is all strings number of A mod 3 greater or equal to number of B mod 2. This one. Number of A mod 3 is greater or equal to number of B mod 2. So what would be the final steps? What are the value for this? Number of A mod 3. What is the value for this? 0, 1, 2. Number of B mod 2 is 0, 1. This one is greater than this one.
So is sir going to 1?
So just forget about equal.
Sir. So 2, sir.
Forget about equal. So 0, 0 they are equal, so we cannot take it. 0, 1 we cannot take it. 1, 0 we can take it. Then 1, 1 I cannot take it. 2, 0, 2, 1. So these are the final steps. So what will be the final state? This is actually remainder of A. This one is remainder of B. So remainder of A 1, remainder of B 0. So what would be the final state? Remainder of A this one, and this one is 0. So
স্যার কিছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে না স্যার
অনেক ভারী
স্যার
should we wait a little bit?
স্যার চোখই নষ্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
স্যার এসে একটু ওয়েট করলাম।
You people did not mute. Please mute yourself. Done? Is it all right now?
No, sir.
No, sir. I
Still
cannot
blurry,
blurry,
sir.
sir.
Internet issues are going on.
জুমটাকে একটু কমাই দিন।
জুনটা সবচেয়ে কমানোই আছে, সবচেয়ে কম জুন আছে। আমি কোয়ালিটিটা একটু খারাপ করে দিতে পারি। আবার রাইট নাও
সেম
Still blurry, sir.
Are you people facing the same problem in all classes? The morning classes?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not at all.
No, sir.
How they are conducting the classes?
Sir, they
Only
should
Go to the slide.
Only the slides. Okay, slides then. Yeah, it means actually in the presentation mode. The presentation mode, the voice is very bad.
স্যার অন্য ক্লাসগুলোতে তো ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল জিনিসপত্র বেশি নাই, এর জন্য মানে
That's
লিখে বোঝানো লাগে না,
জি জি
স্লাইড বুঝালেই হয়ে যায়।
Should we continue?
স্যার কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না এখনো।
আরো খারাপ অবস্থা হচ্ছে, আরো
খারাপ হয়ে
স্যার দুইটা ডিভাইস দিয়েই ট্রাই করলাম, ল্যাপটপেও দেখা যাচ্ছে না, ফোনেও দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Okay, let's try to this one. Let's try this. Let's try to present. But if you present, then the voice quality would be bad. But let's try that. Let's present now. Is it getting better?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No improvement, sir. Still the same.
No, sir, not at all.
But it's a little more improved.
Sir, improve, but maybe mirror হয়ে গেছে ক্যামেরাটা কেমন?
Mirror, yes, it is
লেখা
mirror
সব
now.
উল্টা।
How about right now?
ঠিক আছে, বাট মিরর হয়ে যাচ্ছে মানে
Mirror হয়ে
সেটা
গেছে।
ঠিক করা যাবে। Right now?
লেখাটা স্পষ্ট বোঝা যাচ্ছে, বাট মিরর এখন বোঝা যাচ্ছে স্যার।
স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার।
স্যার ঠিক আছে।
Okay, so let's start.
Yes.
Okay, so remainder of A should be 1 and remainder of B equal to 0. So which one has remainder of A equal to 1 and B equal to 0? Remainder 1 means B. Remainder 0 means X. So Bx should be in the final state. Then remainder A is 2, that means C. Remainder B is 0, so it means Cx. And remainder A is 2, that means C. Remainder B is 1, that means Y, so Cy. So these are the final states for this final automata. All right, guys?
স্যার আমি কিছুই দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
10 কেন নিছেন স্যার? কারণ হচ্ছে এটা গ্রেটার দেন দেওয়া আছে and
Greater
not
than?
still.
So and here number of A mod equal to 1, and number of B mod equal to 0. So it is greater. Right, 1 greater than 0. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes? So yes. Okay. Sorry. Now let's do a little more. Today we are going to finish the final automata. If time permits. So let's do this. Union, concat, cross product, complement, and reverse of finite automata. Now we are going to union to finite automata. We are going to concrete to finite automata. We are going to cross product to finite automata. We are going to complement to finite automata, and we are going to reverse to finite automata. Okay. So let's start with union. So what is union? If my language is L1, my language is L2, then my language of union is L1 union L2. What would be the effect in finite automata in this operation? Let's assume my L1 is nothing but all strings start with A, ends with B. My L2 is nothing but all strings start with B, ends with A. Let's assume I have taken language L is equal to all strings. Let's go to, let's assume my ultimate language is all strings starts and ends with different symbol. How can I write this one? Using the union of previous two languages. Excuse me. Can anybody tell me?
স্যার ফার্স্টে এ দিয়ে স্টার্ট করব আর বি দিয়ে শেষ করব।
Sure, wonderful. A দিয়ে start, B দিয়ে end, and
তারপর বি দিয়ে স্টার্ট
B দিয়ে start করব, A দিয়ে end করব। তাহলে আমি এটাকে লিখতে পারি, it is actually nothing but all strings start with A, ends with B, union all strings start with B, ends with A. Am I right? If you consider the language, then it would be nothing but AB, BA, then AAB, ABB, then B, AB, B, BB, this way it will continue. Am I right? So it is an infinite language. This one, this one, this one, this one, they belong to this language. And this one, this one, this one belongs to this language. So, of course, this original language, all strings, starts and ends with different symbol, can be represented union of these two different languages. Now, what is L1? It is nothing but L1 union L2. So, how can we draw L1? How can we draw L1? All strings start with A, ends with B. How can we draw that one? What would be the skeleton?
So first we'll start A.
Epsilon. Epsilon, if I get A, I'm going to waiting for a B. So this is the skeleton. Here, if I initially get B, I should go to death state because I starts with B and I will remain in the death state. And here, if I get more A, I don't care. Still, I'm waiting for B. So I will come here after getting B. Here, if I get more B, I don't care because I'm still ending with B. If I get A after getting some B, then I have to return back to this state for getting another B. This is my final state. Am I right? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
What would be language 2? Language 2 is nothing but replace here A with B and B with A. So it would be nothing like epsilon. If I get a B and if I get a A, this would be my accepting state. Initially, if I get a A, I should go to that state and I would remain in the death state. Okay? Then, here if I get more B, I don't care, still I wait for A. If I get more A here, I don't care, still I wait for A. Still, I'm done. If I get a B here, I have to come back this state so that I can get another. Done? Now I'm going to union that one. So language 1 is basically nothing but this part. This part is for accepting. And this part is for rejecting. Again, L2, this part is nothing but accepting. This one is for rejecting. This whole part. So how can I union this one? I'm going to take this part and I'm going to take this part because this part leads to me to exception of L2. I'm going to take this part. This part is also going to lead us to exception of L1. Then we are going to union this two. So how can we union? We are taking the star symbol of both and here we are going to join these two. Did you get it? So L would be something like this. Let's draw L1 first. And here I'm going to join this part. So it is nothing but this, this, this. So this would be the union. This is nothing but L. Okay, so that's how we can actually union two languages. Get a unified language. Did you get it or not?
So sir, এখানে দুইটা ফাইনাল স্টেট
I don't get you. What happened?
দুইটা ফাইনাল স্টেট থাকবে
দুটো ফাইনাল স্টেট থাকবে কারণ starting with A, ending with B. This is starting with A, ending with B. And another one is starting with B and ending with A. Taking one accepting part, taking another accepting part, and join them at the start state. That is the union. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, let's go to concat. Is the picture clear now?
Yes, sir. Master.
It's clear now? Let's go to concat. This is represented by dot. Let's assume my language one is starts with A. My language two is ends with B. My language L is starts with A, ends with B. So what are the strings inside the language one? A, AB, AA, then ABA, AAB, so on. Infinite, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the strings in the language too?
It's B,
B, A, B,
BA,
B, B,
or BB. Yes, sir.
then
Okay, so AAB.
A, A, B, A, B, B, so on. Infinite. Now let's take one string inside language, L. What would be that? A, B, then
Answer to
A, B, B,
AAB.
then A, A, B, so on.
AB. Yes, sir.
Now see, what is AB? AB is nothing but taking one of the string inside L1, that is A, just place after it one of the string in language B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is here, here. Now take another one, AB, B. It is nothing but take AB from here and then place B over here. Am I right or not?
Yes.
So that means after going to final state of L1, start again with L2. Am I right or not? After going to final state of L1, start again with L2. Am I right or not? Am I right? Let's take this one. A, B, B. Then what happened? What happened? What happened?
L1.
I start, for example, this is language 1. I started here, up to here I have accepted using L1. Then this is my final state of L1. Then I start again with L2 and accept in final state of L2. Am I right or not? That means just placing side by side to find it automatically. Right?
Yes, sir.
So how can I do that one? Language 1 is nothing but like this. Starts with A. Starts with A. This. And if it starts with B, I'm in this configuration. L2 is what? L2 is ends with B. What would be ends with B? I don't care how many A at first I got. I get B. I will consider that is the final state. Then if I get A, I should return back here. If I get more B, I will be here. So what would be the language for this concatenation of this?
পার্টটা আরেকবার বুঝাবেন?
তো অনেক আগের ছিল না প্রবলেমটা, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ 2টা। ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ 2টা তো ইজ ভেরি ইজি অ্যান্ড ওল্ড এক্সাম্পল।
না স্যার, ওই যে ফার্স্টে কি বুঝালেন, রাইট সাইডে উপরের পার্টটা বুঝালেন।
ABB, how can I accept ABB? How can I accept ABB? I start with language 1, am I right?
Yes.
From here, then I go up to B, right?
জি।
Then I am in the final state of language 1 because it starts with A, am I right?
Yeah.
From that on, I start again with language 2. My journey of language 2 starts, am I right? Then I finally get B, that means it ends with B. Then I get the final state of L2.
Okay, sir.
And this is how I'm accepting this ABB in the language, belongs to language. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So the same thing is happening. L1 is this one, L2 is this one. So L would be nothing but, I'll start from L1, something like this. Okay, something like this. Then I got A, I will accept here. Then I will start journey again for L2. So this would be this one. Then I get a B, I should go over here like this. So this is the concatenation of L1 and L2. Did you get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the only final step. So this is called concatenation. Concat. Do you have any question you can ask? Do you have any question you can ask?
তো এখানে তো মাঝখানেরটা হবে না, রাইট? ফাইনাল স্টেট
মাস্টার তো ফাইনাল স্টেট হবে না, কারণ ওটা তো আপ টু L1. But it says starts with A, ends with B. So you have to go up to this. Up to this. আপনি এক্সাম্পলে কনফিউজড হয়ে গেছেন, বাট কনফিউজড আর কিছু নেই। আলটিমেটলি আসলে এই ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেও কনফিউজ হওয়ার কিছু নেই। আমি যেটা দেখিয়েছি তা হচ্ছে না, এটা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করতেছে এ আপ টু দিস, দেন বিবি ইজ অ্যাকসেপ্টেড আপ টু দিস, রাইট? So it is actually not concatenation like this, that AB concatenated with B. It is not the case. It is A concatenated with BB. Am I right or not? So this is the correct answer. AB not concatenated with B, A is concatenated with BB. Am I right? Done? Do you have any question? You can ask me. Any question? No? Yes?
No, sir.
No, sir. So cross product we have already done the cross product. So no worry about cross product. Now let's go to complement. Kalker classটা, if I take that tomorrow class, you people getting very advanced than other sections. Complement.
স্যার আজকে কিছুই দেখতে পাচ্ছি না স্যার।
এখনো দেখতে পাচ্ছেন না? এখন তো সবাই দেখতে পাচ্ছে।
স্লাইড দেখো, স্লাইড শেয়ার।
স্লাইড শেয়ারটা জান।
হ্যাঁ, স্লাইড শেয়ারটা অন করলে ওটা খুলে দেখতে পারবে।
স্লাইড শেয়ারটা অন করলাম। Now let's go to complement. So what is complement? Complementary dish. What is complementary dish?
Extra without money.
Extra without money. It is not true without money. It means you are paid for something, then it comes with more for good gesture. That is called compliment. That is called complimentary dish, right? Without money, there is nothing called free lunch.
But sir, extra as a service charge দিয়ে নিয়ে যায়।
No, service charge is actually, it is actually somehow illegal. Nowadays, all the fast food and good restaurants, they don't pay anything, not even the minimum wage to the workers. So what they do, they take it from the customers. It's a very bad thing. We should have rules for that one, because anybody working in some places, they should at least get the minimum wage. Am I right? That is illegal. Completely illegal. Harmful for customers and business both, because business does not mean only earning the money. It also means to make a system, economic system. Am I right? But our complement is different. What is our complement? What is our complement?
So, accepting stage গুলো নিব না।
And I am not going to take the accepting states. And what else? And what would be my accepting states?
Non-accepting.
Wonderful. It is our complement. So let's start. So let's assume my language is all strings contain A. Then what is the complement of this? The complement would be all strings
Doesn't contain.
not contain A. You are right. So what are the strings inside this language? A, AB, then AA, then ABB, AAB, so on. Infinite, right? What is the language in the complement? What would be the first string?
So epsilon.
Yes. Epsilon, then
Answer B.
B, BB, so on. All the B's, triple B, so on. So remember, it is nothing like all strings contain B. That is not the complement of A. right? It is not the complement. Yes, we have a epsilon. That's why it is broken. So be careful about doing the complement. All right. So how can we do complement? So Bhuya Sadman Wasif already answered the question. So why it is correct? Tell me. So if my language is something like this automata is contain A. So if I get A, this would be my final states. Then L complement would be final states would become non-final states, and non-final states would become final states. You are right. So non-finals becomes final, finals become non-final. That is nothing but complement. But why it works? Tell me. Why does it work? Why does it work? Logically explain me. What is complement? Tell me. What type of operation is this complement?
So এখানে আমরা contain A মানে A রাখতেছি
Now tell me
and
first what is
language.
complement. Let's assume my universal set is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is nothing but 2, 3, 4. Then what is the complement of A?
One, 5, 6 universal minus.
Yes, so universal set minus A, which is nothing but I have to remove 2, 3, 4. It is nothing but 1, 5, 6. So why, using this concept, can you explain why complement of this is this? So what is this state? What is this state in L? Except, right? Right? What is this state? Reject. And together they are the all strings possible in together. What are they? Together they are nothing but A comma B star. Am I right? Am I right or not? Together they are A comma B star. All the strings possible over A comma B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if this is the case, what is complement? Complement is nothing but universal set minus A. So in this case, universal is both of these two states. Now I have to discard
The rejecting.
L1's final state. L1's final state from L complement. So L complement would be this, but we are discarding this final state. So we are discarding this final state. And what happened? Naturally, if we discard this one, the other states would become the final states. So that is the case. Did you get it? So that
Yes,
is the
sir.
definition of complement. Okay. All right. All right. Now let's go to next topic, and that is our last topic today. Inverse. Let's say, my language is sigma is A comma B. Language starts with A, ends with. So what would be my finite automata for this?
starting
Starts
point A.
Starts with A, ends with B. What would be the finite automata for this? Starting from epsilon, if I get a, I would go here. If I get a B, I should accept. That is my skeleton. Initially, if I get a B, then I would be in the dead configuration. Here, if I get more A, I don't care. I should wait for B. After going here, if I get more B, still I'm ends with B, so I'm in the final state. After going to final state, if I get A, I should wait again for B, so I would remain here. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Inverse, it is not called inverse, let's call it reverse. Inverse is different. Reverse. So what would be the procedure for reversing finite automata? Reverse of finite automata is make final state
As in steady state.
as a start state and start state as final state. Okay. Number 2, change the direction of transition. Change the direction of transition. Okay. So if I do this thing, what happens? Which one would become my final state? This one. Which one would become my start state? This one. Am I right? So let's draw this way. LR is nothing but this one would be my start state. This one would be my final state. Then change the direction. Here it is within this, so it would become like this. Then it is going from this state to final state, so it would be something like this. This is like this, so this would be like this. This one, final state to this state, so this would be something like this. This one is initial start state to middle state, so it would be middle state to new final state. And this would be death state, would become like this. Did you agree with me or not?
So it's going to start
language
with
to
B
be
and ends with A.
Wait. So this is my reverse. Now what are the strings inside this language?
But
AB,
it's going to
AB, wait, AB, AAB, ABB, then what? AA, AB, so on, infinite. What would be the string inside this language? Tell me.
It's going to be A,
BA, BA, then BAA, BBA, so on. Am I right? BAAAA. So what is the relation between this language and this language? Reverse. So if this one is actually accepting A, B, the movement is like this. We start from here and go here, go here, go here, go here, ultimately accept. On the other hand, in LR, we start from here. Am I right? Go reverse direction, go reverse direction, go reverse direction. Finally, we accepting here. Okay? Now there is a catch, big catch. It is a DFA. No question about that one. How about this? Is it a DFA?
No, sir. Final state.
It is not a DFA because final state does not have movement on A comma B. This state has multiple move on B, so both way violation. Multiple move on B. This state has multiple move on A, so it is not a DFA. It is not a DFA. It is called NFA. It is not a DFA. Now, whenever we reverse, we get the acceptance of reverse string. That is true, but it might no longer be DFA. It might become NFA. Why it is happening? Because, for example, if this is a state, many path can come, many path can end to here, reading same string. Am I right? It is acceptable in DFA. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes.
It is acceptable in DFA because DFA is talking about whether there are multiple outwards edge for a single letter or not. Am I right? It does not care about whether there are inward edge for multiple letter or not. But whenever you reverse this one, what happens? This would become outward edge for same letter. So that's why it is no longer DFA. It would become NFA. Did you get it? Okay. So this is the transformation of it. All right. We should stop here today. If you have any question, you can ask me question.
স্যার লাস্টের পার্টটা বুঝলাম না স্যার, যে আউটওয়ার্ড
একটা DFA তে by the definition of function,
yes sir,
by the definition of function, একটা DFA তে একটা স্টেটে এরকম অনেকগুলো ইনওয়ার্ড এজ থাকতে পারে না, মোর দেন ওয়ান ইনওয়ার্ড এজ থাকতে পারে না ফর সেম লেটার, থাকতে পারে তো যেমন if you take this example, for this state I have how many inward edge for A? 1, 2, am I right? 3. It is permittable, am I right?
yes sir.
But when you reverse this one, what would be the status of this? It would become this, it would become outward, it would become outward, it would become outward. Am I right?
yes sir.
কিন্তু একটা DFA তো এটা থাকতে পারে না, সেই কারণে it would become NFA, and এটা DFA থাকে। ওকে, so যখন রিভার্স করি, whenever we do reverse, that time this DFA might become NFA because of this reason. All right?
স্যার এনএফ এর প্রপার্টিটা কি স্যার?
NFA তো শুরুই করি নাই, মানে মনে রাখবেন যেটা DFA না সেটাই NFA। এখনো NFA আমি ফর্মালি শুরু করি নাই। এটা definitely it is not DFA, কারণ this state has multiple move on A that violates the definition of function. Am I right? It violates the definition of function. That's why it is no longer DFA. All right, guys. Okay.
Yes,
Any
sir.
question? No more question?
স্যার আপনার কথা শুনে বোঝার চেষ্টা করেছি স্যার, আজকে কোনো কোশ্চেন নাই স্যার।
ওকে, অন্যরা কিন্তু দেখতে পেরেছে, বাকিরা
নো স্যার, মানে আমার সবকিছু ঠিক আছে, শুধু আপনার এই স্ট্রিমিং
আপনি let me explain. You most probably keep the receiving resolution 360. Make it 720. Receiving resolution, not sending resolution. All right, guys. So Saturday 5:30 to 6:30 demo quiz. You should participate. If you don't participate, you would not get bonus mark. If you participate, you would get bonus mark. Okay?
স্যার এটা কি অনেক হার্ড হবে স্যার?
ওকে স্যার।
না, একদম সহজ কোশ্চেন।
ভিডিও
1 + 1 হ্যাঁ 1 + 1 = what? 2. 3 * 4 = what? 12. Demo quiz.
স্যার কালকে কি ক্লাস হবে?
একটু কাইন্ডলি আজকে
কালকে ক্লাস হবে। There will be a class on tomorrow. Okay?
ভিডিওগুলো কি কাইন্ডলি একটু আজকে আপলোড করে দিন।
Yeah, of course. Okay.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
Okay, take care, guys. Bye.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
বাই।
Thank you, sir.